Right now, I am sure you guys are sitting in your cozy blankets, looking at this and going, wow, what experiencing it is awesome, guys. If you can bear the cold, this place is awesome. Good morning, guys. This is day 2 of our Ooty trip. I just woke up. Time right now it's 9:30. We are pretty late. We should have left by 6 o'clock. But let's see. We'll just take shower, brush and head to Ooty. It'll take us about 2.5 hours. I'm so excited about this day too. It's beautiful weather out there. I can see sun bright out there and my friends are waiting downstairs. Let's check on them. Come on. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस. क्या चल रहा है यार? सही है, सही है. आज हम जा रहे हैं ऊटी. चलो यार, मुंह हाथ धो लेते हैं. अभी गुड न्यूज देके गए हमारे कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंट अक्षय कि हमारे पास बॉन फायर का रॉ मटेरियल है. अब तो जल्दी आके कुछ करेंगे हम. Oh my god, guys, can you see that? We are gonna have some fun tonight. केरोसिन लेके आएंगे भाई.
हाँ ठीक है,
ये
बहुत ही मजा आएगा.
look at our bikes over there behaving themselves. So guys, hi, I'm finally ready. I've showered, I've brushed. Now we are gonna have some tea. So let's head downstairs. Razi has made us some lemon tea and some noodles. What's up, guys?
Hey, I'm ready.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Are we pumped up?
Yep. Ready for the OT ride. Akshay is taking the bath.
Okay. So did you guys finally make lemon tea?
No. But Maggie is prepared. Maggie.
Why not lemon tea? I was waiting for lemon tea.
We'll make it. After getting ready, no, we'll make it. I'll just pack my bags and then I'll make it. Okay. Maggie is there. We'll eat Maggie.
So, breakfast of champions. Maggie. So guys, eating Maggie. Very tasty. This is not Maggie. This is something local. Magic. Name Magic. And it tastes exactly like Maggie. Possibly even better. We all enjoyed it last night also. Even after eating all that food, we enjoyed this Maggie as well. Breakfast. Maggie is done. I want to have something to drink like tea or coffee. So let's go. So let's just see what our bikes are doing. So we have kept them overnight outside. Here they are. They are behaving themselves. They are right there where we placed them last night. This property is very nice. I will discuss about this later. And they have a proper shed so that rain, anything, you know, you can protect your car, bikes, any vehicles over here, which is nice because it rains really badly. And it's not really nice, you know, because it can rust your parts. So yeah, so far so good, man. We can do some campfire over there. We found out that. So in the night we're planning to do that as well. So let's see how that pans out. We have to buy a kerosene for that and some matchsticks or lighter. And we can also ask the owner for his permission, right? So meanwhile, while we get ready, we get dressed, we pack, you enjoy the view of this property. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe, guys. Enjoy. morning we are going to warm up our bikes.
You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge. Paralyzing every pore. Oh, you feel it taking over you. To the center of your core. The lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
So guys, my audio won't be clear as I'm not wearing my adapter because it might rain and it will be raining constantly, so I hope you guys understand. The audio quality won't be as good. So guys, the first stop for the day is petrol pump. We'll all fuel up and then forget about it for today. No fueling up for today. 500, 400, 900. 220. Mine is 420. Okay. So guys, this is the left we have to take for Ooty. If you are in Wayanad, this is Sultan Battery. So we have to take this left. Wow, man, this cathedral is awesome. अभी मानसून खत्म नहीं हुआ क्या? नहीं, तो चालू हुआ था। So guys, finally the rain has stopped a bit. We just took shelter here and had some tea. Now we will go to shooting point. Chal bhai, let's enjoy some curve. Coimbatore from here 161, Mysore 136, Ooty is 80 kilometers and Gundalur is 28. This is Tamil Nadu. We entered Tamil Nadu. Croatian elephant crossing. Woo! Beautiful roads, Tamil Nadu. Beautiful roads. Tamil Nadu has one of the best roads in India. I really commend that Tamil Nadu government on making the best roads in our country. We have crossed the toll station. So you have to pay around 10 rupees to enter per bike. So we paid 40 rupees. There was one issue, the lady over there just took 40 rupees and just gave us 3 tickets. So my friend over there just asked the toll guy to give one more ticket. So I mean, if they're taking toll, it's for when they take toll, it is for the government. I mean, that's why this development happens. If you don't pay properly, I mean, if they don't give you a ticket, that means it's not going to the government. She's taking it. So that is not right. So guys, just make a note of it. But personally, I love Tamil Nadu roads, man. They are by far the best. My God, look at this. Beautiful. Catholic Church. Churches have one of the best architecture, man. far so good, guys. Bikes are performing well, no issues by either new or old KTM RC 390 or Dominar or Akula. I mean, my bike is actually 2016. It's the oldest in the group, and it's spectacular. It's working like new. Every time I open the throttle, I don't feel like it has aged a bit. But all these three bikes are recently bought, especially the Akula was bought in early October only, so it's just been like 10-15 days. Even Dominar is bought like within 2 months. So our bikes are in pristine condition. So this area is tricky when it is this muddy now. If you open or brake, you can skid here easily. So just keep in mind, when this is this muddy and wet, the bike can easily skid. So guys, we are approximately 20 kilometers from Ooty, and just now this fog is, I'm not sure if you guys are able to see, but there's a slight fog in the air, and it's afternoon, like 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, man. And it's a bit chilly also, and we are climbing up, we are ascending. My god, see those trees, man. Wow, these are huge. These trees are huge, dude. एक पिक्चर तो बनती है यार. Guys, this is really tall, man, these trees. So my bike nearly fell off. Thank God I was here. I'm holding it right now. See this road, just it's so fresh that it just broke. Pagad yaar, beautiful place. My bike just fell over because of this. This is freshly laid tarmac. I don't know what it is. So before, even उसका हो रहा है, इसका भी घुस रहा है. तो चलते हैं यहाँ से, इससे पहले हम रोड को और डैमेज करें. It's a beautiful place, man, on the way. Now we are heading to shooting point. Guys, just a tip, this type of road is a bit slippery than your normal tarmac road. I don't know why, but it's a little slippery. Currently I have to catch up with my friends. They went ahead. As we are climbing higher and higher, it's getting chilly, cold. I'm feeling cold. Everybody is feeling cold here, and yeah, that's an issue, man. But the only good part about this is my bike. It has a fairing, and when it gets hot, it throws some of the air down and to my pants area, and that is really warm. It feels really good. Very chilly, man. So far so good. We are having fun. The place is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. It's clean and hot and all. Let's overtake this guy. because it's throwing hot air on my legs. That's the only good part. And whenever my hand feels more numb, whenever my hand feels more numb, I just put it inside the fairing. And it's so hot inside, man. Unfortunately, I can't do it with my right hand. But whenever I get chance, I put my left hand inside and started raining again. Shit. It's so cold. And now it started raining again. Monsoon right to Ooty. Becoming very cold. It's so cold that my bike fan also shut down. Otherwise, at this speed in Bangalore, my fan is always on. And in fact, the temperature goes up. What happened to this guy? क्या हुआ भाई? चल. Hopefully in another 45 minutes we will be at shooting place and we can have our lunch, some snacks over there. It is they cook very awesome masala Maggi over there and give you this omelette as well. So it's very nice. Even French toast. So I am really hungry, guys. Actually, due to all this cold and riding and all, I have worked up some appetite. I want to eat something, man. Really heavy. I'm really hungry. I don't know something about trips, man. At home, I don't eat this much. Whenever I go on trips, I'm so excited that I burn, I guess, more calories. I eat a lot. I guess that's the part of the fun, man. Raining. यार टाइम नहीं है इतना. पता है क्या, शूटिंग पॉइंट चलते हैं, बहुत अच्छे आएंगे. और अगर नहीं हुआ तो वापस इसी रोड से आ रहे हैं ना, फिर ले लेंगे. फर्स्ट गियर एंड गो. It is raining. I am having fun on these roads. अभी तो टाइम है भाई लोग मजा लेने का. जब तक जवानी है तब तक ऐसी चीजें कर सकते हैं. बुढ़ापे में नहीं हो पाएगा, बिल्कुल नहीं हो पाएगा. वो ठंड लगेगी, बीमार हो सकते हैं. So come guys, explore Ooty, man. It's beautiful. अगर अभी तक वीडियो देख रहे हैं, अच्छा तो लगा होगा. Day 1 तो देखा होगा आपने. Hit that like button, subscribe button. इतना मेहनत किया आपके भाई ने. और ठंड भी लग रही है गाइस, तो लगा दो लाइक बटन और सब्सक्राइब बटन और देखो. आप अपने लेफ्ट में देख सकते हैं ये टी गार्डन, टी एस्टेट्स. अभी बारिश एकदम प्रॉपर हो रही है. क्या मस्त व्यू है यार नीचे. डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ग्रीन, मैन. डार्क ग्रीन, लाइट ग्रीन एंड देयर आर लाइक 70 कलर्स ऑफ ग्रीन. इतने मैंने आज तक ग्रीन नहीं देखे. आई हैव हर्ड अबाउट 70 shades of grey or whatever, 60 shades of grey, but I guess it's 60-70 shades of green, man. It's so pleasing to the eye, the green color. It just, whenever you see green, it makes me feel alive, man. I think green is the color of life. चलो ओवरटेक करें क्या? नहीं, काफ़ी दिक्कत हो रही है। नेशनल हाईवे 67। नाइस मैन। रोड यहाँ पे थोड़ा डाउट है, अच्छा नहीं है। वेरी हार्ड टू मेंटेन रोड्स ऑन हिल मैन। इतना दूर तुम्हें सब कुछ लाना पड़ेगा, बनाना पड़ेगा, और बार बार यहाँ पे ऐसे लैंडस्लाइड होते हैं तो उससे रोड और ख़राब हो जाता है। जजिंग बाय दैट ये तो बहुत मस्त रोड है यार। तमिलनाडु गवर्नमेंट सीरियसली मैन, थम्स अप। Smooth flowing corners man, roads are brilliantly engineered. जाने मेरे दिल को क्या हो गया, अभी तो यही थाम गए, हो गया है तुझको तो प्यार सजना, लाख कर ले तू इनकार सजना, है ये प्यार सजना। My God, wow, the view man, accelerating. I cannot go above 50 man, my hand starts like there are pinpricks in my everywhere across my hand. Oh. If you guys are wondering why I haven't worn gloves, it's because my gloves are inside this and I have to open this whole contraption and then wear gloves. Secondly, we don't have that much time. It's already I guess 3 o'clock. Oh my god, lake, nice. Wow, that's nice. Yay. That's the lake over there. Tamil Nadu Electricity Board Diversion Scheme. Wear and fume. Why is it shutting down, man? The bike just automatically shut down, man. गाइस हद हो चुकी है ठंड की। अभी 26 माइलेज दे रही है।
मेरी बाइक की ना बैटरी रेड दिखा रही है।
क्यों? अरे पानी वो गर्म पानी तो बदली दो ना। मुझे भी चालू देख रहे हैं। हॉट, इट्स वेरी हॉट। Me, Jammu Kashmir.
From Jammu. Bike ride.
Not the bike ride. I'm coming from Bangalore right now.
Okay. How many days plan?
3 days.
3 days.
We are staying in Wayanad,
Okay.
near Sultan Battery.
Okay. Sultan Battery. So you are going to return back to Kerala, Gudulu?
But it'll be safe, right?
Yeah.
Before 7 we have to reach the checkpost.
இல்ல வழி செக் போஸ்ட் இருக்குல செக் போஸ்ட் எத்தனை மணிக்கு ஓபன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க பிஃபோர் 7 o'clock க்ளோஸ் பண்றாங்க
For bikes also, right?
நான் போன மாசம் 7 மணிக்கு
For bikes also, right?
சீசன்ல தமிழ் ஓபன் பண்றாங்க
But sometimes
no problem.
I've heard by 5:30 they close, sometimes they say.
But now there is no problem. I think because of crowd they are allowing till midnight also they are coming.
Okay, thank you, Amma. Okay, thank you guys. भाई
ऑन नहीं हो रही
पता है क्या करेंगे आप? धक्का लगा यहाँ तक, सेकंड गियर पे रिलीज कर क्लच, हो जाएगी ऑन।
लगाओ धक्का 1 मिनट
So Razi's battery is showing some issues, so we are trying the age-old push method. चल सेकंड गियर पे रखना, हाँ, और एकदम से क्लच रिलीज कर दे। कर दे,
क्या हुआ यार?
बैटरी डेड। सेकंड गियर में भी नहीं लग रहा है तो अच्छा, एक्चुअली थोड़ा नीचे चलते हैं।
इनसे पूछो कि मैकेनिक को पास में।
हाँ सर, मैकेनिक इज देयर। मैं करता हूँ, रुक। So successfully the bike is started. चल 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 चल, मैं ही चला के आता हूँ। So I'm riding TVS Akula, nickname or code name Shark. Oh, natural waterfall. Nice. We are here, almost here to the shooting point, man. Oh, it's a, oh.
आपने नई गति फील करी, कैसी लगी?
भाई शाही है,
है ना?
इसके सामने तो लगता है कुछ
मैं ऐसा तो पत्थर में बैठा हुआ हूँ।
पत्थर में।
क्यों कुछ नहीं दिख रहा इसमें तो।
अरे यार, फिर से मैंने खोल के रखी थी क्या?
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। ये बैटरी पूरी तरह से डिस्चार्ज हो गई है, बैटरी खराब हो गई।
So guys, finally reached Paikara. So we are very hungry. First we'll have some Maggie and French toast. After that we'll climb that. It's already 4:30. We are planning to leave about max 5:15 from here. So half an hour only we have to eat and go up. So I'll show you how it looks. So this is the entry point. You have to go here. And then you have to buy tickets from there. It'll be about 10-20 rupees. So we are going to have Maggie and bread omelette, and then awesome coffee. कैसे आप? बढ़िया। क्या है आज, कॉफी की टी? टी बढ़िया ना?
How many days is this continuously raining? This is raining continuously.
अभी आए सर, तो
2 दिन। तो हमारे हम जब आए तभी बारिश आई। सबके हाथ तवे पे है। ब्रेड ऑमलेट हमारा बन रहा है। सुबह से ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं किया है हमने, ना लंच। और यहाँ पे मामा तो बेस्ट बनाते हैं ब्रेड ऑमलेट। खाओगे और खाते ही जाओगे, बस रुकोगे ही नहीं।
भाई मैगी भी बहुत टेस्टी लगती है।
हाँ, मसाला मैगी मस्त बनाते हैं। So guys, if you come here, they make one of the best masala Maggi and French toast and best tea here at this stall. खाना टेस्ट कर।
चावल में नहीं यार कोई पानी गिर रहा है ऊपर से।
कैसा लगा?
बहुत बढ़िया। और चाहिए?
हाँ हाँ अभी आएगा और
बहुत बढ़िया बना है। यहाँ आती मुझे एक्सपेक्ट नहीं हो रहा था मिलेगी।
आर डी फ्लैट मैंने वहाँ से बोला आजा 5 किलोमीटर ही दूर होगा बट वर्थ इट। अभी नहीं खाएगा और मज़ा आएगा तेरे को।
तो ये क्या हो रहा है? इधर लाना।
छोटी छोटी मगर मोटी बातें। इतनी ठंड है
नहीं हो रहा। हो रखे पानी गिर रहा है यार। अंदर 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 हो। तब तक पानी गिर रहा है। नहीं थोड़ा थोड़ा पीछे है प्लीज है। अंदर हो और अंदर।
कैसी लगी मैगी? इस टेम्परेचर में मस्त है ये मसाला मैगी मस्त।
इस मैगी के लिए यहाँ पे आना बनता है
सौरभ कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे
भाई।
ठंड के मारे जबान। तो गाइस ड्यू टू टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट वी आर नॉट, it's sad to say we cannot even go to top of the shooting place, so now we are going back. It's 80 kilometers to our villa and at 6 or 7 o'clock the checkpoints close, so we need to at least reach the checkpoint by 7, otherwise they won't allow us to cross. So because of that we have to hurry and leave now. So you can see over there on the board there are lots and lots of places actually in Ooty to see, around Ooty to see. So maybe next time when we come we'll explore them. It's really beautiful, man. Anywhere you go is a scenic view. क्या धुआं है भाई। This bike is really comfortable, guys, and especially comparing to RC390, very comfortable. Right from the seats padding, the ergonomics, it's not too committed as much as RC390 is, but yet it is a slightly more committed. It is not a relaxed dominar or duke position. It is committed, but yeah, if I can do long distance in RC, I can easily do the same thing in this bike. So the gear shift is very positive actually. Not a big issue there. No, not in corners. No, not again. Lot of bikers are ninja. Yeah, I don't know, in this Sakula there is some issue with the battery. I don't know why that is happening. Probably because of I don't know, he has put some aftermarket charger over here and it's raining all the time. I don't know. There's certainly something wrong here. Oh, the bye. अरे यार शिट मैन, रुक गया शिट, सुन नहीं रहा यार।